Hello, everyone. This is our full automatic non-shrinkage horizontal tube expander with 12 working stations. The complete machine has passed full process factory performance testing and trial operation verification with all technical indicators qualified, and will be fully packaged and shipped for export to Poland shortly. This equipment is compatible with copper tubes with an outer diameter of 9.52 mm. The maximum effective tube expansion stroke for a single tube reaches 4 meters. Equipped with 12 synchronous tube expansion actuators, it can simultaneously complete tube expansion work for 12 copper tubes in one cycle, greatly boosting the production capacity of heat exchanger tube bundles. The machine is equipped with an intelligent numerical control operating system featuring a user-friendly HMI interface. Operators only need to input 3 basic dimensional parameters of the workpiece: preset hole spacing, longitudinal row spacing, and total number of rows. The control system will automatically calculate and generate a full set of standardized processing parameters with one click. Manual item-by-item commissioning and setting are not required. It features low operation learning cost and high efficiency in processing commissioning, balancing easy operation and fast mass production.